Hi, today I'm going to be unboxing a loco that I found on eBay here in the US, and it's going to be a very interesting one. Not sure what to expect, but let's get into that. Hi, welcome back to Partickhill Station, and welcome to all those who've just dropped in for the first time. This is going to be a very exciting unboxing of a great locomotive. I already have this model, but this is a particularly good one with additional features, so let's check it out. Well, here's the box. There is a label on the front which I'm not going to show because it's got addresses on it. And let's open this box. Not quite sure what it's going to be, but I'm actually quite excited about this, and it was a great find. Well, it's got all your usual popcorn in there, so the guy's done a good job in that respect in terms of packaging and boxing. Okay, so I'll take some of these out just to make it easier, and here is the loco. Now, once again, it's packaged well and nicely taped up. And let's have a look. So there's also a bubble bag in there to help with the packing. That's terrific. Great. So let's have a look at this loco. This is the driver's cabin. As you can see, there are 2 crew in there, which is a real bonus to get that. There's a bogie, clean, nothing missing. Yellow dots are perfect. And there's the nameplate, the Queen Mother. The electrification warning sign, British Rail logo. 47541. And here's the other end. There's no LED lights on these. That might be something I could add. On the other side, it's the same. That like these handrails there, I think they're metal. They look nice. And the rooftop is perfectly clean. I doubt if this has ever been on a track, because when you look at the wheel sets, they're perfectly clean. Not a scratch, not a piece of dirt anywhere. And here, previous owner has, or the seller has got DCC, made in Great Britain, Hornby. Now the next thing is to get the body off. So now comes the part which I always find challenging, and that is to get the body off. I don't have any tools with me, so I'm using a knife just to pry that off there. The one in the middle, try and flip it over without it springing back, and see if I can get in here. Always a challenge, as I say. Try and keep it in frame. Now, just want to be careful I don't scrape this because this body is in perfect condition. There you go. It's popped out. It's good. And in the inside, I'll just see what it says here. R863. I think that's 010. R863010. Perfectly clean, and as I said, it's probably never been on a track. And there's the true crew in there, which is terrific. Well, we'll fix that later. Now, this is where, okay, so there's the chip all wired up. I'm not sure which make it is because it doesn't really, I can't see it, doesn't say, and we're going to try and, there you go. Runs perfect, and that's with an old 9-volt battery. Always a great thing to have when you're traveling and you get the opportunity to pick up a loco. So nice 3M Scotch pads there to keep everything in place. All the wiring is clean. The whole thing just looks perfect. And you know, as I say, I doubt if it's been on a track. So let's get it back together again now that we've seen all that. At the bottom of the box, I found these two labels, stickers, that have to go in the loco, and I'll have to do a little bit of research to find out exactly where they're going to be located. But that's like an added bonus to receive them. You know, they're brand new. I'm sure the locomotive is brand new. Anyway, that's terrific. Well, just a final couple of words on the Queen Mother 47541. It is DCC, as you saw, and it's a great model. It's got a nice finish, paintwork is terrific, the metal handrails are an added bonus, and you know, I doubt if this has ever been run. The only thing I haven't done is run it on a track because, as I said, I'm traveling. But yeah, great model, great purchase, thanks to the seller. And when I get back to the station, we'll get it on the track and test it running as DCC using my Hornby Select controller. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, remember to give me the big thumbs up, and we'll go from there. Bye for now.